Am I in the shot?
Yeah.
You recording?
Yeah.
Oh, word. Welcome to another episode of Tune My Jetta. So we got our head spacer here. We have no gaskets. Just kidding. So today I received my package from eBay. That's where you should get all your parts. Brady can vouch.
Yeah.
Get some eBay tires.
I'm gonna get some eBay tires. It's like $600 for 4 tires.
Oh yeah. Can't go wrong. But I got my Chinese head gaskets and they're looking hella sick. They're all black and stuff. So there we go. Diamond Power.
Those are dope.
Wow. I don't know what company that is, but so we got 2 of those. Sorry, Chips. And yeah. You recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go for it.
Alright, so I brought up my head spacer just so I can really see if these match up. So, shit, it doesn't. Oh my god, it doesn't.
No?
Yeah, it does.
Oh.
No, it matches up pretty well, so not even worried about it. What's up, guys? So I just woke up a little bit ago, checked all the tracking numbers and stuff, and supposedly the head studs are here. And I've never had mail come at like 8 in the morning. So, let's check it out. Oh my god. So everything is here in the morning for some freaking reason. I mean, we're on some Christmas morning type stuff, man. I'm excited. Oh my god. Alright. So we got the plug. We've got our sensor, a new faceplate, oh yeah, oh yeah, that's cool, that's cool. And then I think this is for the data logging. There's all that stuff. Get a sticker, throw that on the car. Sweet. All of the nuts, washers, and then here are the head studs. Sweet.